greatness gang. D4G here.
I am back. What it do, baby?
Hey man, let's go ahead and get into it. Y'all know what it is. It is First Impression Friday. And today I got two Middle Eastern niche fragrances that we're going to tap into. Now y'all know throughout the week I've been having these two on the desk, and it's finally time to tap into it. First fragrance we're going to go over is going to be Pisa. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. From the house of Lattafa. And the second fragrance is gonna be Shahar. And this is gonna be another one from the Lattafa Pride series line. I think we're gonna go over Pisa first. Bruh, hey, I haven't sprayed these, but the presentation is absolutely immaculate. It does come in a box, you just slide open like so. This right here, we really trash. And then the fragrance sits inside this big ass box like this, and it just, boy, hey, you do not throw these away. Hey, Lattafa, the Middle Eastern, they're killing the presentation game, fam. Dog, this shit is immaculate, bro. Just, if you had a Max 30 and it was pretty, like, you really gonna set it up like this. This is nice. And then your fragrance just pops open like that. And then the bottle itself, bro, very nice, very rich in detail, heavy bottle at that. Cap has great weight to it. And this bottle kind of reminds me of like them old school bottles in like Roman Catholic times that be leaning to the side like this. You know, that's kind of what it reminds me of. But either way, dope presentation. Now, I haven't sprayed this, but smelling it from the atomizer, bro, I'm telling you right now, this thing reminded me of one fragrance that I have in particular that's Middle Eastern. Man. Hey, boy, this is a banger, man. This is a banger. Oh, this is a good one. I'm rocking with this straight to the skin, no strip, straight to the skin with both of these. Absolute banger. I'm getting a lot of zest, getting a lot of citrus notes up top, a lot of orange citrus at that. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Let's go. I'm rocking with this. Let's get straight into it. All right. First things you're going to pick up. You're going to pick up a beautiful mandarin. And that's going to be the most dominant citrus note that you do get in the fragrance. But right after that, you do get a nice zesty lemon at the same time. So it's really going to be that mandarin and lemon working together. Bro, this shit juicy, bro. My mouth is like literally watering right now. This is crazy. Some mandarin, a good bit of lemon, and a nice woodsy note as it's sitting there. Very nice woods, but it's still citrus dominant up top in that opening. This is a banger to me, bro. This is hitting. And it does have like a creaminess about it, like a very creamy appeal to it. But right now I'm just getting that mandarin, a good dose of lemon, some woods, and a nice creamy feel about this fragrance. This is an extremely masculine fragrance. Nothing synthetic about it. Very nice opening, very clean. Now I will say this fragrance, even though it is extremely nice, don't get it twisted. This is extremely nice. Depending on what you already got in your collection, this could come off somewhat basic, because it's not really anything that's just groundbreaking. It's just a beautiful fragrance. I'm not knocking it at all, but I don't know, man. Like it's nice, but it's just not. It really depends on what you already have in your collection if this is something that you really need. I can't think of anything that it might be cloning right now. So we're gonna swap over and check out the second one. We're gonna let this one sit on skin. And this presentation on this other one is stupid. All right, fam, the second fragrance is Shahar. And this is another one from Lattafa. And this one just opens up like this. And bruh, yes, fam. Get you a little Lattafa Pride booklet that goes in there, lets you know the other fragrances that they do have in that Pride line. But this bottle go dumb, bro. I'm definitely having this one just sitting like this. This bottle is ridiculous. Gives me like a nice Dragon Ball Z effect. Just pull off the cap like this. It's really the whole dragon head that comes off. And then your fragrance sits in there like so. Now we're going to spray this one up in the air and see what we getting. Unisex. Unisex, bro. This one, out of both of them, this one might be extremely feminine leaning. I do like this one though. It has a good sweetness to it, but I'm just letting y'all know off rip, this is a unisex fragrance. It's unisex leaning more feminine in my eyes. We're gonna see. Damn, okay, all right now. This one you gotta let sit for a second. I damn near burn my nose hairs on this one, fam. I damn near burn my nostrils. Gotta let this one sit here for a little bit. All right, so in this one, there's a couple of things that I am picking up. I am picking up a nice spice. It is very soft. It's that cinnamon type of spice. So you are able to get that. It does have that bitter almond sweetness that you can pick up in that opening as well, which is, it's a lot of it, bro. It's adding to the sweetness crazy. And surprisingly, I can get a little bit of vanilla already in this thing, but it does have a nice floral freshness about it. Nothing citrus. It has a nice floral touch to this fragrance. This one for sure is unisex, all the rip. And this one's gonna be one of those for cold months. You ain't wearing it during the spring or summer. I can't. Maybe spring, but not the summer for sure. Not in Texas. A slight jasmine freshness about it, and this does have a nice woody scent. This one, I do think that fellas could pull this one off, but I can see how it can be off-putting to a lot of my guys. But for the ladies out there watching, this is a hit. Now this one on the other hand is coming off a lot more unique. Whereas Pisa was coming off more somewhat basic. This one is coming off extremely unique, but again, it's a more feminine leaning fragrance in my opinion. Oh yeah, that jasmine is starting to come out a little bit more too. I like this, yeah. I can rock this. I can rock this and enjoy this comfortably. Now would I say it's max 30? I don't know about that, fam. I don't know about that. And neither one of these would be OB safe. Both of these fragrances are going to be around that $50 price range. Once you get to that point, you kind of want to sample and see what you're going to get first. Because I can really see how Shahar can be extremely sweet to a lot of people. A good dose of vanilla. And that vanilla is extremely thick also. But the cinnamon does add a nice touch. I am rocking with that cinnamon spice that it has. It is dialing down that sweetness a little bit. So I am rocking with this. Don't get it twisted. This is a very nice fragrance. Let me dive back over to Pisa real quick and we're going to see how that one's coming off. But, okay, so now in Pisa, I'm starting to get a little bit more of that bergamot. I am getting the green feel, like a slight herbal take to the fragrance, but nothing crazy. It's still very much in that citrus vein, and those mandarin mixing together with some wood, and it's still maintaining that creaminess. I'm really leaning towards suggesting that y'all get a decant of both of these before you just get a full bottle. Again, I'm not saying that it's a bad fragrance, but I don't know, man. It's like it's nice. The presentation is stupid on it. So the presentation really sets it off. The fragrance itself, it is a good one. And it is something that I can see a lot of people enjoy. I don't know, maybe it's just me, fam. Maybe it's just me. As far as the fragrance goes, the fragrance is nice. It just coming off somewhat basic to me in a way. And then going back to Shahar real quick, Shahar is kind of drying off like it's really reminding me of like a calmer type of dry down. Just with some bitter almond and a thicker vanilla. I don't know, man, like, I don't know, fam. I don't know. This is a tough one. I'ma really have to do a gas and pass on this one and just take my time with both of these. Yeah, I'm gonna really have to take my time with both of these. Again, Shahar is coming off more like a calmer type of fragrance for me in a way, whereas Pisa is coming off like an extremely clean, very fresh with those citruses up top, a good amount of woods in the transition. But I can't say that Shahar, I definitely think will be an absolute hit for my ladies out there. I do believe that. I think the ladies will rock with Shahar heavy, especially with the presentation too. Yeah, I can see a lot of ladies enjoying this one, especially during the fall and winter time. Hey, but that's just my thoughts, man. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section. If you have either one of these, please plug in your thoughts down in the comment section, because right now I'm having a hard time on if I would suggest either one of these for my fellas as a blind buy first. I would highly recommend both of these if you can find it. Try to get you a decant of both of these. Whereas Shahar, especially for my ladies, I think the ladies will truly enjoy Shahar because again, it's really coming off like a calmer type of fragrance. If you already have that one, it could be redundant. But personally, that's just something that is really reminding me of right now, especially as this transition. My goodness. But with all that being said, we about to get up out of here. I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a phenomenal day. Stay on your square. Stay on your purpose. Don't let nobody take you off of it, fam. D4G, truly blessed, destined for greatness. We out.